This is Cyber Brief. You just got a message from your boss asking you to wire money urgently. Perfect grammar, right tone, sounds exactly like her. It's fake. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to catch it. Here's how an attacker would do it today. They paste your boss's old emails into an AI writing tool. Tell it to match her tone. Out comes a flawless, personalized request. Hey, I'm in back-to-back meetings. Can you process this payment quickly? No typos, no weird phrasing, nothing that used to scream scam. The same trick works for fake bank alerts, job offers, even a weeks-long romantic conversation, all generated on demand, in any language, in seconds. Here's the mechanism. Generative AI, tools that produce human-like text from a prompt, let scammers describe what they want and get a polished result instantly. They can feed in context, your company's name, your bank's logo language, your industry's jargon. The AI fills in fluent, convincing prose. What used to take a skilled writer hours now takes anyone 30 seconds. And because these tools can translate instantly, the same scam runs in dozens of languages without a single new hire. Most people still use the old mental shortcut. If the message looks professional and reads smoothly, it's probably real. That made sense when scammers were typing broken English at 2 a.m. It doesn't anymore. AI didn't invent new scams. It just erased the old tells. Fluency used to be a signal of legitimacy. Now it's table stakes for anyone, including the people trying to rob you. A perfectly written message is no safer than a messy one. So here's the new rule, and it's simple. The quality of the writing tells you nothing. What matters is verifying the request itself through a completely separate channel. Someone texts you claiming to be your bank? Don't click anything in that message. Call the number on the back of your card. Your boss emails you asking for a wire transfer? Walk over to her desk or call her directly. The channel you use to verify must be one you opened yourself, not one the message handed you. Treat every money or credential request as unverified until you've confirmed it that way, no matter how polished it looks. Fluency is not legitimacy. Always verify requests through a trusted channel you choose yourself. Cyber threats don't wait. Neither should you. Subscribe.